But you can say, for example, man, nobody's striving to be perfect. See, there are things can happen, like somebody got injured, something happened in the past because of the rain, climate changes. Yeah, we are not talking about perfection. What we are saying that we should try our level best to be punctual. Punctuality does not mean perfectionism. We don't have to be perfectionist, for example. I'm sorry. So we should try our level best to be punctual. Does punctuality matters where creativity is valued? It means being flexible. Like being flexible means you can come anytime, you can enjoy your life, right? So does punctuality matter in those scenarios where creativity, like, okay, we can do on our according to our schedule and our understanding?
Well, to answer your question, in my opinion, well, creativity matters, punctuality doesn't matters, because it's all about our happiness and our
Enjoyment.
enjoyment. So, if we like we are going there for enjoyment, and if it is like we have to be punctual, we have to be hurried, then it can spoil our enjoyment.
Definitely, definitely.
So, well, to answer your
For
question,
sure.
I think punctuality does is not important where creativity matters.